1933. Been sitting here for 3 months. No speed cameras on the way, alright?
So quick they won't be able to flash quick enough.
Whoa, mate! So hard, you can headbutt now or go through the wood.
You have to be with someone.
Oh. Nearly a close right off. Morning! So, going out now to buy a new car. All the way down to Eastbourne to get this Golf, not just any ordinary Golf, Golf GTI 35 edition. Very, very rare to get them as cruise control, which is very hard to get in a 35 edition. A bit more powerful than the standard GTI that you get in that MK6. Do a little review on the car, the journey there. Yeah, he's been on telly, he's an old timer, done shooting with Gordon Ramsay if you know him, but he's well known by the older lot. I don't know if my young following will know a lot about him, but yeah, top bloke, top geezer. It's got your Aston Martin thing on and everything, little Aston Martin body warmer, that's the bollocks. Looking apart.
And the top. You know what I mean?
I don't think people your age be trendy, but you're looking good. That's proper. Gonna all the birds around you down Eastbourne.
Down there, you know what I mean? Full army bottled up in the back and all. Yeah, here we go.
All prepared.
All fucking
You're
done.
old school, mate. You don't mess about.
That's it.
I've got the camera rolling. Look, going Eastbourne.
The language, Timothy. Stick that off. Yeah, they want the postcode, don't you?
Yeah, look, go on. She's telling me to go there.
Go on in, go on in. I know it's telling you, but I'm telling you now, it's a lot of bollocks. What's this, a YouTube?
Yeah.
No, not
Yeah,
me.
go on. I'll put you on. I'll get you famous. I'll get you all the birds. I know you've got enough of them, but I'll get you all the birds. Just got stopped off for a breather. How you feeling, gal?
Yeah, cool.
What do you fancy? What do you fancy? I'll sponsor you, don't worry.
Yeah, watch out for the deer on this road, son. You don't want to be wearing one of them on the bonnet, do you?
Very beautiful scenery.
You're in the picture.
Just chilling here, really. Just pulled up. Lovely stuff. Oh, that was a nice little drive, wasn't it?
Good.
Not a lot of traffic or nothing like that. But yeah, here we are. 35, yeah, 35 edition. It's been sitting for a while. It is.
Stay straight.
Yeah, no. That AA Gold member. What does that mean? Yeah, on there. It means it's been well looked after, isn't it? AA Gold member, that's good. He's cared about it. This, I like this little touch there. We'll go off like that. Door's a bit, is that door open or? Oh yeah, that door's open, that's why. I thought someone had it, gave it a hit. Yeah, wheel's a little bit scuffed, but that's alright.
That's the one she said, I think. Looked at
Yeah.
that was the other.
Check the engine oil, that's all good. Had a service not long ago. No engine lights or anything like that. Oh, this gives me the memories of my old GTI. Got the little 35 edition golf ball, which I love. Stunning. It's been sitting here for 3 months, no one's driven it. You panicking?
No, I'm not. I don't panic, George.
Yeah, I'll take a paperwork in case you get pulled.
He loves a YouTube, this boy.
Alright, go. First class service, mate. In you go. Don't be catching no speed cameras on the way, alright? Yeah,
They're
mate.
so quick they won't be able to flash quick enough.
You suit this car, Gal.
I used to have one, didn't I?
What, GTI?
Yeah.
Oh, really? What one do you have?
The original one. 16 valve, was it?
Yeah.
Black one.
How many birds do you have in that? Quite a few birds in that, did you?
Old crows in there.
Oh, well, he's even got his phone folder. He's come all prepared. Quite for old school, mate, this guy. You even bought your own tom-tom. you don't mess about. You don't mess about, do you?
Come on in, please. Come on.
Gal, it's a powerful motor, though, I'm telling you now. Just be careful, innit?
Oh, won't frighten me, will it?
The juice.
Where's the juice for this?
What, to fill it up? We're going to stop off at a petrol station. Yeah, well, we want it now. I want 5 brass it now, but they're not here, are they? Plug for the cigarette lighter.
Yeah.
Oh, it's in there.
In where? Ah.
Yeah, pull that out. Come on, mate. I thought you're old school. You should know this
My
stuff.
one was straightforward. It wasn't hidden.
You got one under the armrest as well. Trust me, this car's
We're up and running.
up and running. Yeah, got power.
All singing, all dancing.
Garmin.
Oh, that's
Oh, I've got the
Rolls
shades on there as well.
That's the Rolls Royce, it is.
Got the shades. Got the Aston Martin.
Yeah, Pete ain't got the car to go with it.
Yeah, mate, this is alright though. Yeah. Oh, steady on, son.
Well, yeah, don't go too crazy and think about your fuel prices, you know what I mean?
So yeah, we'll stop at the next petrol station. Quick update. Hopefully no engine lights.
Calculating.
Tell us, eh? Oh, hope you don't write it off. Seems all prepared, he does, so no messing about this, geez. Car is looking mad. He's just floored it, yeah, and so much shit just come out the back of the exhaust. Like all the black smoke and white smoke, mate, you name it, come out of that exhaust. Been sitting for so long. Got to tell him to take it easy on it though, man. He's got to blow it up before I even have the car. I ain't even test drove it yet. But yeah, find a petrol station, put a bit of Supreme unleaded in it, clear out all the jets and everything. That thing sounds, oh, the memories that I get. Gary, mate, he suits him, that car as well, you know, old boy, suits him. Looks 10 years younger now, doesn't he? What's that, Gal?
You won't be disappointed with this car.
Nah.
Really nice.
Yeah, no, you floored it, mate. The amount of shit that come out the exhaust.
Didn't floor it.
Nah.
That wasn't a big windfall. Really tight.
Yeah, his course has got a sports steering wheel and everything. Just look at them cars down there, look at that, look. Yeah. Just bumped into this. Yeah, put the Super in, Gal. No, you just hang, look, there it goes here, look. Look. Watch this little trick, look. If any of you don't know, literally, hang it like that.
Oh.
Goes in there like that.
It's too much, all this.
Gals, he's like my mentor, Gary. He's an old school guy. He's been through life, he's been there, done that. And he teaches me the ways of life, but in the old school manner. None of this new, like, you know, modern bullshit.
Please, hang on.
Bang on, yeah? Trigger finger, eh? No wonder you're a good shooter. You're good with them fingers, ain't you? You can do many things. What do the women say?
Right.
You good with your fingers? Eh?
Well, gentlemen,
Yeah, look at that. GTI will still leave all of these though. These are just for show. God, mate, look at that, mate. Imagine driving about in that. The interior. Proper American. The gear shift. Windows open by some sort of lever. Even when you turn the wheel, look, you can see how it's all moving in that. So, mate, what's that one called?
It's Lost in 12.
Lost in 12?
Yeah, 1933.
Austin 12, yeah?
Austin 12, yeah. 1933.
1933. Unbelievable. That's older than my nan. It's all running good, yeah?
Yeah, mate, yeah.
And the latches and everything as well?
Yeah, it's all good, mate.
God, mate. I'm happy I bumped into you lot. Take care. Oh, sounds powerful. That's it. Oh, look at that. Let's see, Gary, my old son. All right, all good? Here you go. Q5 versus GTI 35 edition. Let's floor it. Ah, oh, Gary, mate, you went too quick. Nah, you went too quick from the start. He's having so much fun in it. We just basically paced it down the old country lane. I couldn't really keep up after 40 miles per hour. He was leaving me after 40 miles per hour, I've got to say. This is Gary. An old timer, he's been there, done that. Old timer, but you're not, mate. You're 65, mate. Fit as a fiddle, ain't ya?
Ain't all bad.
He's so hard, he can headbutt a nail or go through the wood. Get a little throwback, did ya?
Well, yeah. I left you a bit of rubber on the tyres, don't worry.
Thanks. That's good though, because I saw all the smoke coming out, which is good, it cleansed it.
I needed to clear. Let's say it's been laying there, what, 3 months, so it's 10 to 6 and we're back.
Oh, check that arse out.
Yeah, very nice.
Fucking hell.
Easy.
She was gorgeous. Oh, she's with them.
Unstack the car, George.
She was with them.
Well, she had to be with someone with a back end on it like that.
Yeah, true. Very, very disappointing.
I was watching the road, me. I was still watching there because you was out the back window.
I was just cleaned it, gave it a wax and polish, doing the interior now. And here's a little life hack. I'm going to show you a little life hack now that you all might find useful when you're cleaning the mats of your car, because they could be really difficult. Here's a little life hack, how to hoover your car with a back massager basically. Come in closer, I'll show you. So you put it on the mat, it vibrates, everything, lifts all the dirt up. Makes it 10 times easier to clean. So yeah, here's a little life hack. See, all the little particles are coming up. Taking it for a cheeky test drive. Mate, this thing, oh mate, this goes. The memories I have just experienced just by putting that down. Mate, it shifts. It shifts, bruv. So responsive. The throttle, just press it just a tiny bit and it just goes, mate. So planted. Nowhere near as comfy as the Q5, obviously. Oh, hold up, girl. Alright, let's have a little walk around. It's a gorgeous thing. Absolutely rapid. Very hard ride though, but absolutely rapid. I'm impressed, man. This is definitely faster than my old GTI, just because this is 35 edition. But it's got the tinted windows already at the front. I think they're way over 50, definitely. Can't really see inside. What it's all about with this one. Look how many bugs I've already killed, look. Changes gear, this thing's gone. It just literally like catapults itself from the next gear. Speechless, man, speechless. It's been a while since I had a fast car like this. Just taking Gary out for a nice meal. Obviously he's done me a favour driving down all the way from Eastbourne today. So yeah, looking good, looking good. That's it. Everyone's got the tunes on out here. Look, Gary, all the birds are looking at you, mate. Calm down, look. He's look the part, innit, didn't you? Show him the watch as well. Fuck, show him the watch as well.
Stag over there.
That'll suit you actually, you know, for what you're wearing as well. All these colours. Show the watch, Gal, show the watch. God, mate. $1 million, mate. But look, he's even got the matching clothes to match this restaurant. He's been looking forward, didn't
You know, tomato sauce and all that, governor.
you? Top service.
Look at that.
Top service. Thank you very much, mate. Really good.
Thank you. I'll have another one of them there, dearest, please.
Oh, can't say no to that. Obviously, Gary's got the better view, but yeah, I keep having to turn around in case you see any ops behind me.
After the old ones, George.
Wanna have your cake and eat it too.
Gotta go, gotta go.
Just pack up all your lies, get